So now we will understand this question. If two numbers are 22 and 33 and ACF is given 11 and we have to find the LCM. So now see how to do this sum. So as we know the formula that product of two numbers is equals to HCF of the number multiplied by LCM of the number. So now see product of the two numbers. So two numbers are given here 22 and 33. So we will write as it is. See. So first of all product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equals to 22 into 33. So you can do this in the rough, okay? So 22 into 33 is 726, okay? So now see, we will write the formula again, okay? See, in the next line I will put a symbol like this, okay? This symbol is called implies, okay? This symbol is called implies. So after this implies we will put the value of product of two numbers. So as we have calculated product of two numbers, that is 726, and this equal to will come here, okay? Now see HCF of the number, what is given? It is given 11. So we will put 11 here, multiply and LCM of the number. Since we don't know the LCM of the number, we will write this here as it is. Again we will put the same symbol here, okay? This symbol is called implies, okay? The name of this symbol is implies. So why we put this symbol here? Because in a equation, in this type of line, okay, if there are two equal, okay, there are two equals, so we have to put this arrow sign after the equal, okay? We have to put this arrow sign after equal. So because two equal will come here, so that is why we have to put another equal with a arrow mark, okay? So now see, we will write this 726 here, okay? So concentrate in this part. Here it is written 11, okay? So 11 multiplied by LCM of the number. So 11 multiplied by LCM of number, we cannot do further anything here, okay? We cannot do anything further here because this is a number and this is a sentence, okay? This is a number and this is a sentence. So what we will do in the next line, we will bring this number from right side to left side, okay? This is equal sign, this side is called the left side and this side is called the right side. So from right side we will bring this 11 to left side, but we have to remember that anything we bring from right to left or left to right, we have to take care of the symbols, okay? We have to take care of the symbols. So as you can see, 11 multiplied, so it is multiplied by something, okay? It is multiplied by something. So multiply when any number from this side goes to this side, we have to change the symbol, okay? So 11 will become divided by 11, okay? 726 divided by 11, so equals to LCM of the number, okay? So next line we will divide this, you can do in the rough. 11 6 ja 66. 12 minus 6 is 6. From here we have carried 1, so this will become 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. This 6 will come here. Again 11 6 ja 66. So again implies so 726 divided by 11 is 66. So we have got the LCM of the number. So answer is 66. Okay.